Okay then, so this looks like some kind of cash thing going on. There's a deposit of 8,000. There's an interest rate 15% compounded monthly. And this is talking about how much interest Diogo has earned after 2 years. So this could be compound interest formula, but I'm actually going to go to the financial solver. So let's just get the financial solver open. Menu, finance, finance solver. So let's just unpack this, okay? I'm going to just highlight some key ideas here. So I'm going to actually invest 8,000. Okay, so my present value is 8,000, but I'm investing that away from me, so that's negative 8,000. The annual interest rate is 15%, so that's pretty easy. 15 just goes in here. The compounding periods is compounded monthly. Okay, so compounding periods is monthly, 12. Now there's nothing else that I'm actually doing. I'm not paying more in, I'm not taking any out, and so this payments period is also going to be 12. And let's think about the N. When you click on it, N is the number of payments. Well, I'm getting 12 interest payments per year, and that's 2 years. So this is 2 times 12 is 24 here. Okay. The payment is how much I'm paying into the bank each time period. That's 0 because I'm not paying any extra. And the final value is actually what I want to try and find. How much have I got in the bank after 2 years? And there it is. Let's just write that down then. So we've got actually 10,778.81, and that's Argentinian pesos. Now just think about this for a moment, because that's not quite the final answer. I started with 8,000 in the bank. I finished with 10,778. So can you see, if you subtract that, you'll get 2,778.81, and that's how much interest you have earned. So this is the actual answer for the first part. 2B, Carmen also deposited something in a bank account. Okay, so it doesn't tell us what the present value is. What does she deposit? The nominal interest rate is R equals 17%, compounded yearly, so CPY equals 1. Doesn't say anything else about extra payments, so PPY is also going to be 1. After 3 years, okay, so that's 3 years, but only 1 per year, so that's big N equals 3. The total amount in Carmen's account is 10,000. So the final value that she has coming back to her is 10,000. Okay, so let's go for it. The final value here is 10,000. PPY is 1, CPY is also 1. N is actually just 3, the 3 times by 1 payment per year each year, 3 times 1. And the interest rate here has gone up to 17. 17, get that in right. Payment is nothing, we're not paying anything. And we want to know, well, how much do we need to invest now to then get to 10,000 in 3 years' time? And you can see there's a negative there, so actually the present value, what we must invest is 6,243.71, and that's Argentinian pesos. That's how much goes away from us into the bank to invest, so that we get back exactly 10,000 in 3 years at 17%.